everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review. This is not a sponsored video by any means. It is just my thoughts and feelings, I suppose, my thoughts on this product. The other day I went to a certain shop and I saw this bag. I thought, that is so cute. Now I'll show you the other side. Yes, it came from Super Cheap Auto. It's a chill, it's a tool bag. So I just had to have a look. Now, let's show you what's in it. Okay. Box cutter. I'll use that. And there's also extra blades for it, so come in handy. Probably last me forever, but pair of scissors with a bottle opener. Everyone needs scissors. Pointy nose pliers. If you don't know, I used to make jewellery, so pointy nose pliers come in handy. I think every woman should have a pair of pointy nose laying around, but okay. A spirit level. You know, if I'm ever going to hang pictures or whatnot, at least I can have them straight and not just by eye, because that would never be straight. Then we've also got some nails, screws, hooks and that sort of thing. We've also got a hammer. Now this is pretty light, but it's also got some weight in it, so nice and easy to use, nice grip handle. One of these attach type screwdrivers, all the different shaped bits. So if I want a Phillip or a flat or whatever they are, I don't think I'll ever use them, but it's a screwdriver. Also got some Allen keys. If I ever buy furniture or something that doesn't come with an Allen key, they may get used. Shifter. I like shifters. I use shifters for most things because it's every size and you don't have to go looking for different sizes. Then, tape measure. And that's it. Okay, so I may not use everything, but I'll use most. And to me, can't complain. But I love the colour because it's pink. My hand isn't even going right, trust me. And then there is still plenty of room for me to add. Awesome. I believe this bag would go under any sink. It is usable and it's cool. So yeah, I found it a great buy. 30 bucks, Super Cheap Auto. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.